Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today we are using leftovers to make something totally different than what they were originally. I'm making chimichangas. A chimichanga, if you don't know what it is it's like a burrito, only 50 times better. Because guess what, you fry it, and not deep fry, you just pan fry it. So I had a leftover, you know the roast chicken that you buy in supermarkets, or you can roast a chicken. Well, I have half of this is a roast chicken and leftovers, and the other half is leftover pork, which I've shredded. And here is how you shred it. You take 2 forks and you shred meat by keeping the grain of the meat in mind, and then just pulling with the grain, so you get these long strands. And you can chop it, but the reason for shredding is it just has a better mouth feel. Now all that I'm doing is, I also had some leftover onion, so I'm just going to have a little bit of pan drippings from the roast chicken. So now I'm just going to heat this up. I'll need a little water. I'm just using the water to so that the meat doesn't dry out. I want to keep it a little moist, but I don't want this wet because it's going into a wrap. So just keep that in mind, and you can put any herbs or spices that you want to in here. Some cilantro would be nice. I have some fresh salsa. I'm just going to put some of that in here and warm this up with the meat. So now the meat is hot, and I'm just switching pans. I have a cast iron pan because cast iron just makes the best crust on things. So while this heats up, here's what's going into our chimichanga. Chimichanga is a Tex-Mex thing, and you can put only meat. You can put meat and cheese and vegetable, just vegetable. You can do anything you want in here. I have some onion, and I just happen to have some cheddar cheese, but again, you know, make it your own. Whatever cheese you have will work. And then you fold the sides, fold it up, pull it tight, I should say, and then roll it. And that will be your chimichanga. I have oil, just enough to cover the bottom of that pan. So fold, roll, and that's it. And then you take a little test piece, and that looks good. See, it's sizzling. So now I know when I put this in, this will sizzle. I'm doing the folded side down. See, here's the flat, fold goes down. And you just brown this on all sides, and that's your dish. Well, the chimichangas are out, and all that I'm doing is adding a little salsa to my plate. I have some sour cream, and I have cabbage. You can use lettuce if you'd like. Cabbage is actually a little more authentic. And some lime, some fresh lime. And let me just taste this. I just love these. If you've never had it, today's the day. Today's the perfect day, right? And what a great way to use any leftover that you have. That is so good. The roast chickens that you buy, completely transformed into an otherworldly food. I just love this. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. NinaInTheKitchen.net for the recipe, and I'll see you back here. Bye guys.